guys, so if you've just signed up recently and you just reserved your hub and you want to make sure, it might take a couple of hours for it to populate in here, but after you've done that, you want to be sure that your hotspot is reserved. You log in, go to the menu on the left-hand side where you will see provision your orders. And then you want to click the second one there, provision iHub orders. And then you will see, there it is. So one thing to be sure that's in here is the full details, the name, right? Yes, perfect. Thank you, EJ. Make sure the full address is in there. The install name, yep, sometimes this stuff gets missed, so you want to make sure everything's in there, completely filled out.
Email and phone as well.
Yep, I would just add everything. So be sure everything is filled in correctly. Save it. If for some reason they didn't have like a name to ship to, which I actually helped one of my affiliates the other day, is the name for some reason was blank. So I said, let's go on there and check it. Good thing we did, because if they're ready to ship a hub out and there's no name there, they're not going to ship the hub out. So just make sure everything's filled in, and you know your iHub is ready to be shipped out as soon as we have the inventory to ship